Hello everyone and welcome back again to another video. In today's video I want to share with you this remedy I used to treat my cough. It's quite effective. I took it and I was relieved instantly. So I feel like let me share this with you so that it will be of help to some other person that has cough out there. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for this. I have honey, I have lemon, I have bay leaf, I have ginger. So let me tell you guys the health benefits of all this. So this bay leaf I'll be using for this. Bay leaf, according to research, bay leaf can help respiratory system and it eliminates bacteria. Then lemon on the other hand has vitamin C, antibacterial and antiviral properties which can soothe a sore throat and reduce cough. And when you mix it up with honey, it does a magic because honey also helps to soothe cough. So that's why I'll be adding that to it. And another one again I'm using here is ginger. Ginger soothes the throat and reduces the reflex that develop urge to cough. It relieves and suppresses cough. It reduces inflammation in the throat and removes mucus from the lungs. Yes, so all these things, when you mix them together, it will clear your lungs instantly. You will feel it. You will just feel it. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to prepare. So stay tuned and keep watching. And when you try it, if it works for you, let me know. Let me come back and tell me how you feel about this, okay? And after watching and after using it, if you found it so useful, share this video, share it to others so that they will benefit as well. Stay tuned and keep watching.
There'll be enough inside there. This thing has filter. The kettle has filter, so okay. Yeah. So it's time to heat. So now it has boiled. It has boiled as I wanted. So I'm going to off this heat and let it cool. I'll off the heat and let it cool. Yeah. Okay. very with transparency. Yeah. Okay.